Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get double space in Microsoft Word. So let's dive right in. Sometimes the default spacing is too tight and manually pressing enter repeatedly is a long and tedious process. Here's a quicker way to adjust the line spacing. First, select all the text in your document by pressing Ctrl+A. Then, right-click anywhere within the selected text and then click on the paragraph option from the context menu. In the paragraph dialog box, you'll see a section labeled Line Spacing. Click on the drop-down menu and select Double to increase the space between lines. Click OK to apply the changes and you'll notice that the space between lines has increased. If you find that the double spacing creates too much space, you can easily adjust it again. Double-click on the selected text to bring up the paragraph settings again. This time, set the line spacing to 1.5 or any other preferred value. Click OK to see the new spacing, and that's it. Now you know how to maximize or minimize the space between the lines in a Microsoft Word document easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.